Hey there! If you're someone who cares a lot about what other people think of you, then today I'm going to show you 7 ways to help you stop doing that. As humans, it is quite natural to have this tendency of seeking other people's opinions and validation for love and affection, but it doesn't mean that it is healthy. Many of us also tend to do this for a fear of rejection or for fear of judgment. But when you constantly seek other people's opinions and approval for everything in your life, what happens is that you will not be able to live your life based on your true desires and potential. Now, let me give you my own example so you'll have some history and background on why I'm talking about this. I come from the place of seeking approval and validation on almost every little thing in my life, and I had to learn it the hard way. I used to be such a people pleaser and overly apologetic that even if I would get hit by a wall, I would say sorry to it. It is very sad, but I always used to have this overwhelming feeling that everyone around me hated me and that my existence was a disturbance to them. I don't know why I would feel that way, because nobody should ever feel that way. You just need to start getting out of your head and out of your negative self-talk, because it just does not do you any good. So here are my 7 ways on how I stopped caring about other people's opinions, and if I could do it, you can do it too. First and foremost, you need to get this clear in your head that what other people think of you is none of your business. It is their brain and they have a right to think anything. What other people think of you has nothing to do with you, but everything to do with them. This also goes hand in hand with the next way that I'm going to talk about, that is to let go of control. Many of us want to have this sense of control over everything around us, but letting go of it can be such a freeing feeling. It is impossible to control everyone's thoughts about you and to please everyone around you. So the sooner you realize this, the better it is going to be for you. You have to accept the fact that not everyone is going to like you. If you think you should be pleasing everyone, then you're definitely going to end up being miserable. So you have to work on letting go of control that you want to have on everyone's thoughts about you. Now this goes hand in hand with the next way that I'm going to talk about, which is to let go of the need to be perfect. There's always going to be someone who is better than you in some way, so if you try too hard to look perfect and to appeal to everyone around you, then you're going to add additional stress on yourself, which will affect you both mentally and emotionally. So just be you and do you, and know that your vibe will attract your tribe. If you're getting value from this video, why don't you hit the like button? So next up, I would like to stress upon authenticity. So like I was saying earlier, you have to be yourself, be comfortable in your own skin, and just own the way you are. Even if you're shy or awkward, just chill through it and let people know that, yeah, I'm awkward, so that people around you will also get that vibe and chill through it. Whereas on the contrary, if you try to fake perfectionism and end up being awkward, people around you will also start responding awkwardly. So just be easy with yourself. Next up, you have to own your choices and decisions. I do have a quick tip on this, which is to just reflect on whatever choices you are going to make and the decisions you want to take, and to see if it is really the right thing to do. Ask yourself if you'll be comfortable owning it, and if yes, just go ahead and own it. If not, then don't make such decisions and choices. So when you're making choices and decisions wisely this way, then what anyone else thinks about it should hardly matter to you. Next way is to stop allowing people who are not where you are to give you their unsolicited opinions. Ask yourself, have they been through what you are going through? If not, then don't let their thinking or opinions get to you. If yes, then sure, their wisdom might help you make better choices. Look, in no way I'm asking you to be adamant, but you simply should not allow people who can't reach you on your spiritual and emotional level get to you. Last but not the least, and my favorite, is to travel more. Traveling brings about so much wisdom and knowledge in almost unrealistic ways that you wouldn't have even imagined. It just accelerates your spiritual growth to another level. You'll realize how tiny your existence is in this entire world, and how everyone is so busy dealing with their own thing. This will help you stop seeing yourself as the center of everyone's world. You are, of course, the center and star of your own world, and everyone else is the center of their own world. So you should realize that even if you make mistakes, people are going to move on from it, especially if they are tiny ones. They won't be spending their time and energy dwelling on it. Now, would you judge people randomly? Well, if you do, then you do obviously have some work to do on yourself. But if not, then stop assuming that everyone around you is out to get you. So just relax, take a deep breath, and slowly start working on how you can stop caring about what other people think of you. And if these tips were helpful, let me know in the comments below. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen them already, you definitely should check out my other videos on how to love yourself more and how to stop overthinking about everything. I'll link them up here under the eye icon. So take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.